Welcome to this English grammar lesson on adjectives. In this video, you will learn what an adjective is, its different types, and how to use adjectives.
Welcome to this video lesson on adjectives. This video is brought to you by MD Salim Reza, assistant teacher in the Department of English. Today, our focus is on understanding adjectives.
Like, share, and subscribe for more English grammar lessons. Turn on notifications so you never miss a new lesson.
By the end of this video, you will be able to explain what an adjective is, identify them in a text, match them with pictures, make lists of adjectives, and use them to describe people or things. So what is an adjective? Simply put, an adjective is a word that describes or qualifies a noun or a pronoun. Here are some examples of adjectives used to describe emotions, such as worried, angry, sad, sleepy, or happy. Let's read this dialogue between Rina and her father to see how adjectives are used in everyday conversation. In this version of the dialogue, the adjectives are highlighted. Words like good, dear, fine, hard, and excellent all function as adjectives. Now take a moment to act out this dialogue with a partner. For your individual work, try to come up with a list of adjectives that you could use to describe your classmates. Here are some descriptive words to help you get started. Adventurous, bold, confident, enthusiastic, hardworking, honest, and many more. Adjectives help paint a picture with words. For example, Tea Garden is a shady place, and Rita looks gorgeous. We can also use adjectives to describe the weather or an environment, like saying, this place is sunny. You can use adjectives to describe objects or experiences, such as, I saw a very clear rainbow. Finally, adjectives allow us to describe feelings and states of being, like asking, are you tired today? Let's look at another example. Rajib has to receive too many phone calls. In this sentence, many acts as an adjective describing the phone calls. Similarly, we can describe objects, as in the sentence, the gift was very surprising. Here, surprising is the adjective. Now it's time for some practice. Work with your partner to write 5 sentences about your favorite person using adjectives. Next, apply what you've learned by describing your home in 5 sentences, making sure to include some adjectives. Thank you for joining this video lesson on adjectives. Keep practicing.